Welcome to Emilak Online Tutorial, and before us is this question. Part of the WASSCE November 2022 question number 10, and it says, make X the subject of the relation. Alright, now looking at this question here is a fraction, here is a fraction. Now let us make it linear. So let us cross multiply. So here we have, when you cross multiply this to this, here you have s into p plus 1, then this to this, q plus 1. Right, let us now open the bracket here. You have spx plus 1 equals to rqx plus what? R. Sorry, this to this, it will be s. Okay, now let us collect like term. This to this, this to this. You have xpq, this to this. You have, as it's come over here, now become minus rqx, then equals to this over to this. You have r minus. See, okay, what is now common between these two? You have x, so you bring it out. You have sp minus rq equals to r minus x. Now since here you have x here, so let us now divide this by this. So you have sp minus rq, then over sp minus rq. This we cancel this, so here you have that x equals to s over sp minus rq. Final answer. If you are new to my channel, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and ensure you click on the notification button to be notified of every video that I'll be uploading on this platform. Thank you and God bless you.